Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access your diesel filter, you must first remove certain parts. Take off the plastic engine cover. You must now remove the turbo air inlet conduit. To do this, first release the two clamping clips using a medium-sized flathead screwdriver. At the center of this conduit, there's also a connection that must be undone. To do this, pull the white plastic holding spur upwards and then disconnect the conduit on both sides in order to remove it. Using a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the airflow meter connector, then remove it. Unplug the electric connector on the airflow meter. Take off the upper inlet duct by separating it from the lower part. Then pivot it anti-clockwise and pull it towards you before releasing the other end. You can now see the diesel filter. Remove the electric connectors by lifting the holding spur and simultaneously pulling the terminal upwards. You must now unclip the diesel filter hoses. Push on the 2 pipes located under the filter, exerting pressure on the white coloured part. To free the diesel filter, pull the small tap found on the top to the left. To fully remove the filter, you will have to lift the water pressure sensor connector. The connector is only accessible, however, once the filter has been partially removed. One part of the diesel filter does not get replaced. You must recuperate this from the old one. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, lever the filter off, pushing on the casing to remove it. Get the new filter. Remove the 2 joints using a flathead screwdriver. Replace them with those provided in the new filter box, making sure you properly oil their surface. Get your hands on the new filter and reinsert the casing into it. Push down firmly to fix it in place. This movement can be a little difficult. Be patient.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Put the filter back in place. Once the filter has been put back, reconnect the water pressure sensor located on the back of the terminal on the bottom. The diesel filter box has spurs that slide along rails located in the cylinder head. You have to ensure that everything fits together and slides correctly. Finally, reconnect the electric connectors on top and put the tubes back in place. Reattach the second part of the air inlet conduit. Reconnect the lower part. Reconnect the airflow meter. Tip: take a piece of paper towel, lay it flat on the socket, then insert the head of the nut, forcing it into the socket. Magic! It holds all by itself. Plug the electric connector back on the airflow meter. Put the turbo air supply conduit in place, reclip the part which goes into the cylinder head cover, and tighten both of the clamping clips with a flathead screwdriver. Before starting your car, it is very important to fill the new filter using the primer pump. Pump this for about a minute to fill the filter properly. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.